Hey loves, how are you? Happy Mother's Day wherever you are in the world, or if it's past for you, then happy belated Mother's Day. And I just wanted to come on and say hi, and that I totally am so deeply in love with each and every one of you. And I know that for some of us, this is a really happy and fun day, and we get to hang out with our moms and with our families, or maybe with your children or with loved ones. And for some of us, it might not be the easiest of days. So I just want you to know that whatever you're going through in your life, whatever you have going on today, if this was super amazing, if this was just one of those days where it's a bit more difficult for you, just know that you are loved for exactly who you are, and that whatever it is that you're stepping into, you are on this precipice, and on the other side can be exactly what you want, right? It can be exactly what you've been desiring, it can be exactly what you've been kind of waiting for. So this is a time for us to really go deeper with who we are, and look at anytime we have like these really fun days of love, and whatever it is that you're going through, whatever it is that you're feeling, it's a time that you can open up to God. It's a time that you can open up to yourself. It's a time that you can go even deeper with who you are and what you've been through, and exactly who it is that you choose to become, because we are able to create our realities. We are able to create the love and the freedom and the joy and the bliss and the pleasure and the desire and everything that we really truly are ready for on that soul level, but perhaps we are not quite ready for it on a conscious or subconscious level. So this is your invitation to go deeper. So on this day of celebration and on this day of gratitude, how can you love yourself more? How can you incorporate more rituals and self-care and soul care, and really just stepping into this place of being kinder and more compassionate, and having more gratitude for exactly who you are and all of the things that are so beautiful and amazing about you? And how can you really just like own it all, and just be like, this is who I am, and this is who I'm showing up as, and this is what I'm creating in this world with my life? And how can you allow yourself to even more become that embodiment of infinite love with the way that you act, and the way that you speak, and the way that you think about yourself, and the way that you think about others? And just step deeper, go deeper into your journey, onto your path, and allow yourself to really just like feel it all. So we'd, rather than running from what we feel, and I say this when I'm teaching yoga with my students on the mat, is just feel what you're feeling. So whether this has been a super easy day and fun and lighthearted, or if this has been a more challenging day where some of those old demons are starting to creep back up for you, how can you just feel it, right? Without trying to judge it, without trying to make it something that it's not. Just feel it, and then how can you grow from it, right? So journaling, do perhaps some release ceremonies or some rituals later. Call someone that you maybe want to speak to, or whatever it may be. Just let yourself be in that place of just feeling it without the judgment, without the ego, and step into a deeper place of love for yourself, for others, for God, for the God in you, for the God in us all, for just being who you are. So that's it. I love you guys so much. And if you want to come and hang out with me in Vegas, if you are going to be here, or maybe you're nearby, or you just want to come, the weekend of June 2nd and 3rd, I will be one of the featured yoga teachers at Love and Light. And so you can go ahead and grab a ticket, and I have my personal link that you can go to. So you can head over to bit.ly, so bit.ly/live Nika. Okay, so it's lowercase everything except the N. Okay, so bit.ly/live, and then a capital N, and then IKKA. Okay, so /LIVE, capital N, lowercase IKKA. So I hope that you guys can come and join, and you will absolutely love the speakers. It's all about love. It's all about celebration. It's all about light, and us stepping into and becoming the light with who we are, and how we choose to interact and engage with everyone else around us, with the universe around us, and just really get into flow and abundance and so much joy. So I hope that you can come and join me at the event. Again, bit.ly/live Nika, and the N is capital. All right, loves, I'll talk to you soon. As always, here's to your untaming. Bye.